Well, when the Spokane skies start to look like this, we got a lot of calls into the newsroom from viewers worrying about whether or not they need to cancel outdoor events like athletics. We're not quite there yet, but even these conditions are detrimental to some people's health. For most of us, this is a simple nuisance. Visibility is very low and the smoke can certainly make your eyes water. For others, these conditions can really cause some serious health problems. The Spokane Regional Clean Air Agency is the local authority on air quality. They use the EPA's scale for measuring particles of mass in the air. That data falls into an index that's more simple for everyday folks to read. Right now, Air Monitoring Section Manager Mark Rao says we're in the, quote, unhealthy for sensitive groups category.
You know, some of the people with asthma, perhaps, or other conditions, heart or lung conditions, may have been affected at lower levels, even moderate levels of air quality.
The elderly are at particular risk, as well as very young children. You should do what you can to limit your family's time outdoors, especially if those plans involve aerobic activity. Remember to change your home's air filters regularly. Rao says these conditions will likely last through the weekend, if not longer. You can learn more about air quality and get hourly updates online at KXLY.com. Just look for this story in the news link section of our homepage. In Spokane, Casey Lund, KXLY 4 News.